Our mind-bogglingly ancient, densely interlocking, and only partially understood tapestries composed of millions of species, all exchanging matter and energy in a glorious whirling ballet which is so beautiful. It can put you on your knees when you start to fit your mind around it. But ecosystems aren't just quiet symphonies to admire. Ecosystems allow us our impossibly rich, dazzlingly beautiful lives. Yet we yank threads out of these magnificent tapestries every day. We unravel our own support systems. Every day they grow quieter